I got to a point where I was working 4 days a week,
Wow.
but making more money than I did working 7, because I work 7 days a week. And you do that by one principle. The more value you bring to your client, the more you can charge, because you will be in demand. The inverse of working less is figuring out how to provide more. And if people hit your website and they can't determine whether you're valuable enough in relation to the cost of hiring you, you've got a problem. And in business, if people perceive the value of your business as being overwhelming in relation to the cost, that's a good decision. That's the best economic decision to make. So your marketing, your brand, your messaging, your social media posts, your emails, your everything that you do, when you talk, you have to communicate value. If you see yourself as a business owner, your whole life changes. I've known many great home inspectors, they're no longer in business because they didn't learn that that's not the goal. The goal is not to make money. You have to run a successful business.